My name is Chloe Lee. Welcome. I would love it if you subscribe down below and join the Babe Fam. I make lifestyle videos similar to the one you're about to watch. And yeah, make sure to like this video. It looks like this, not like this. And it's the weekend, so let's party it up. Let's go ahead and get into my room tour. So when you first walk into my room, to the left we have my closet and my mirror. Hi guys. And then we also have my nightstand, which is just 2 crates stacked on top of each other. We have some decorations on top and a lamp, and I will have where everything is from on this screen, so just watch that. And then on the first shelf we have just a little pineapple candle, a little stitch, a little sign, a origami flower, and my US lip balm. And then below that we just have my books, devotionals, a Bible, and then a can that I made in a video, which just has like my hairbrush and a couple of pens in it. Next to that I have a little power strip for my electronics and lights and stuff. And then I also have a prayer journal binder. Above my nightstand in bed I have a homemade macrame as well as this flower decoration. If you guys want to know how to make either of these, I will link the video down below. I have my light box which just says I was made for loving you. I made my headboard using Generation DIY's tutorial, and then I have some diamond string lights hanging on that. My bed just has my Bible, headphones, a But First coffee pillow that I made, my unicorn, a couple more pillowcases that I made. They say sleep all day, dance all night. This cactus pillow, which is from Home Goods, and then my main pillow that I sleep with. I have a furry blanket, and then my comforter and sheets are usually pulled back because I don't usually sleep with them. In my windowsill, I just have a couple of lotions and then a Bible verse little magnetic thing. I don't even know what to call it. To the right of my bed, I have my little cozy area, which I also made in a video, so I'll link that video down below. I just have my homemade blanket, a couple of homemade pillows, another pillow there in the back, and this little pig stuffed animal that my cousin got me. And then there's just these really pretty lantern lights, or paper lantern lights. Then I also have my inspiration board, which I'm in love with. It's got a bunch of Polaroids on it and other things, and I just love it. Next we have my shelving, which I also made. On my shelving I just have this little perfume and this sign. This box which has washi tape in it. This is just a succulent as well as another sign and a deer antler. A couple of pin buckets, a file organizer, and my planner stuff down there. Here's this gallery wall that is above my desk. Then I also have my computer, some candles, markers, a cute little Hubert's lemonade glass, my planner and phone. My trash can is down there, no one really cares about that. And here I just have a bunch of like planner supplies / electronic cords and notebooks. Here in this top shelf I have some cookbooks, and behind that are some empty notebooks. And on the bottom shelf I have a magazine holder and more notebooks, as well as this pink decorative jar. On the second shelf I have a change holder, some perfume and other things like that. My makeup brushes, a succulent, and my makeup mirror. Some more books, and some movies. To the right of that I have my guitar, this adventure awaits sign. To the right of that I have my clothes rack, and it just has some shoes on the bottom, and I try to put clothes on here that kind of go with my room theme. I also still have a bit of my pink wall hanging up, so that's what that is. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you all enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. It looks like this, not like this, and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys next week with a new video. Bye guys! Yeah.